Welcome to English Lane, where we learn English through powerful stories that inspire, educate, and transform the way we understand the world. Today, you're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the life of one of the greatest minds in human history, Albert Einstein. Through this story, you will not only improve your English listening and pronunciation skills, but you'll also discover how Einstein's curiosity reshaped physics forever, what made him stand out as a thinker and a humanitarian, and how his ideas continue to impact science, technology, and even global politics to this day. Let's begin.
Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, a small city in the Kingdom of Württemberg, Germany. His parents, Hermann and Pauline Einstein, were non-observant Jews. His father was an engineer and salesman, while his mother was a pianist who loved music deeply. From an early age, Albert was different. He was slow to speak, so slow, in fact, that his parents were worried he might have a developmental disorder. But when he did begin to speak, he spoke in full sentences. He was quiet, thoughtful, and curious. One day, when he was just 5 years old, his father showed him a compass. The young Einstein was fascinated. How could the needle move without being touched? That moment sparked a lifetime obsession with invisible forces. Einstein did not enjoy traditional school. He found it rigid and unimaginative. His teachers considered him rebellious and even lazy. But outside the classroom, he read voraciously. He explored science and mathematics on his own, driven by pure curiosity. In 1894, his family moved to Italy for work, and Albert later moved to Switzerland to continue his education. He eventually enrolled in the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, studying to become a teacher in physics and mathematics. Although he struggled with some subjects, he excelled in physics and mathematical thinking. In 1900, Einstein graduated with a teaching diploma. After graduation, Einstein could not find a teaching job. Instead, he worked at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. This quiet job gave him time to think, and in 1905, he changed the world. That year, later called Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, Miracle Year, he published 4 groundbreaking scientific papers. These papers included 1. The photoelectric effect, which later won him the Nobel Prize. 2. Brownian motion, proving the existence of atoms. 3. Special relativity, introducing the famous formula E equals mc squared. And 4. Mass-energy equivalence, suggesting that mass can be converted into energy.
In one single year, Albert Einstein revolutionized physics and earned a place among the greatest scientific minds of all time. Einstein's theories were difficult for the public to understand at first, but when scientists were able to confirm his predictions, especially the way gravity bent light during a solar eclipse in 1919, he became an international celebrity. In 1921, Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics, not for relativity, but for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, a discovery that paved the way for quantum physics and modern electronics. He traveled the world, giving lectures and promoting science, but as his fame grew, so did the challenges. Einstein was more than a scientist. He was a philosopher, a pacifist, and a humanitarian. He spoke out against war, racism, and oppression. As the Nazi Party rose to power in Germany in the 1930s, Einstein, who was Jewish, faced severe threats. In 1933, he left Germany and moved to the United States, where he took a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He never returned to Germany. Although he was a man of peace, Einstein played a small but important role in the development of the atomic bomb. In 1939, he signed a letter to U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt warning that Nazi Germany might be developing nuclear weapons. This letter helped launch the Manhattan Project, the secret U.S. program to build an atomic bomb. Einstein did not work directly on the bomb and later deeply regretted his role in encouraging its creation. He became a vocal advocate for nuclear disarmament for the rest of his life. In his final decades, Einstein continued to work on physics, trying to develop a unified field theory, a theory that would connect gravity with other forces of nature. He never succeeded, but his efforts inspired generations of scientists. He also supported civil rights, was offered the presidency of Israel, which he declined, and remained an outspoken figure on global issues. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. His brain was preserved by scientists in hopes of uncovering the secrets of his genius, a move that remains controversial.
Einstein's name is now synonymous with genius, but beyond his scientific achievements, it was his imagination, humility, and deep human values that made him truly remarkable. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." His theories gave birth to modern physics. His curiosity redefined how we see time, space, energy, and reality itself. And his moral voice challenged us to think not only as scientists, but as responsible citizens of the world. By following this story, you've not only discovered the life of a scientific legend, you've also practiced English listening skills, proper pronunciation of complex words, scientific vocabulary, storytelling comprehension, and inspirational language to grow your mindset. You are not just learning English, you are learning how great ideas are born, how change begins with a question, and how one person can change the course of history. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to English Lane for more inspiring stories and English lessons every day. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, keep learning, and speak English with confidence.